Nassau is the event the city has been waiting for a long time. This February 7th, Amani Production and Polo Bar and Restaurant presents KLASS. KLASS comes to Nassau to deliver an unforgettable performance. It's KLASS performing live Saturday, February 7th at VC Pool Hall. This will be the biggest event of the year. KLASS performing live for one night only. With halftime by DJ Densler Mix and DJ Fire, hosted by Captain Noel and T. Joel Deja. Admissions only $50. VIP just $75. This February 7th at BC Pool Hall, Nassau. For info and to purchase your tickets, call 242-808-8445 or 561-880-1776. This is an event you can't miss.